Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today, we will delve into one of the most influential schools of thought in psychology, psychoanalysis. Developed by Sigmund Freud and later expanded by various neo-Freudians, psychoanalysis emphasizes the significance of the unconscious mind in shaping human behavior and personality. Let's explore the foundations, key concepts, contributions, and criticisms of this school of thought. Foundations of psychoanalysis. Sigmund Freud. Importance of the unconscious. Freud highlighted the importance of the unconscious mind, positing that unconscious processes significantly influence human behavior and personality. Structure of personality. According to Freud, the human personality is structured into three parts: the id, ego, and superego. Structure of personality. Id. The id is the primitive and instinctual part of the personality. It operates on the pleasure principle, seeking immediate gratification of biological urges and desires. The id is entirely unconscious and does not adhere to reality or morality. Ego. The ego operates on the reality principle. It mediates between the unrealistic id and the external real world. The ego considers social realities and norms, etiquette, and rules in deciding how to behave. It is partly conscious and partly unconscious. Superego. The superego incorporates the values and morals of society learned from parents and others. It operates on the morality principle and strives for perfection. The superego is largely unconscious, with smaller portions in the preconscious and conscious mind. Key concepts. Psychosexual development. Freud proposed 5 stages of psychosexual development that individuals go through from infancy to adulthood. Each stage is associated with the pleasure-seeking energies of the id focusing on different erogenous zones. Oral stage, 0 to 1 year pleasure centers on the mouth, sucking, biting. Anal stage, 1 to 3 years pleasure focuses on bowel and bladder elimination and control. Phallic stage, 3 to 6 years pleasure zone is the genitals, coping with incestuous feelings, Oedipus complex. Latency stage, 6 to puberty dormant sexual feelings. Genital stage, puberty onwards maturation of sexual interests. Fixation and nirvana. Fixation, failure to resolve conflicts at any stage can result in fixation, where an individual remains locked in that stage, affecting their adult personality. Nirvana, the ideal state where the total energy of the psyche is free and no fixations exist. Defense mechanisms. Freud introduced the concept of defense mechanisms, unconscious strategies used by the ego to manage conflict between the id and the superego. Examples include repression, denial, projection, and rationalization. Contributions of psychoanalysis. Focus on the unconscious. Freud's emphasis on the unconscious mind and its role in personality development brought a new dimension to understanding human behavior. Importance of childhood. Psychoanalysis highlighted the impact of early childhood experiences on adult personality and mental health. Psychoanalytic therapy. Freud developed psychoanalytic therapy, which aims to uncover and resolve unconscious conflicts through techniques like free association, dream analysis, and transference. Stimulated research. Freud's theories stimulated extensive research and debate, leading to further development in psychology and related fields. Interdisciplinary impact. Psychoanalysis influenced various disciplines, including literature, art, and anthropology, enriching the understanding of human behavior in these fields. Comprehensive theory. Freud's theory provided a comprehensive framework for understanding human personality, including the concept of defense mechanisms, which are still widely accepted and used by psychologists. Criticisms and limitations. Lack of scientific rigor. Freud's theories were often criticized for being unscientific, as they were based on qualitative case studies and lacked empirical support and quantification. Overemphasis on sexuality. Critics argue that Freud overemphasized the role of sexual drives in personality development. Deterministic view. Psychoanalysis has been criticized for its deterministic view, suggesting that individuals have little control over their behavior and personality development, which are largely shaped by unconscious forces. Neglect of conscious processes. Freud's theory gives limited importance to conscious experiences, viewing them as just the tip of the iceberg of mental processes. Cultural and gender bases. Freud's theories have been criticized for their cultural and gender bases, reflecting the norms and values of his time rather than universal principles. Neo-Freudians and modern psychoanalysis. Carl Jung introduced concepts like the collective unconscious and archetypes, expanding the scope of psychoanalysis beyond Freud's original ideas. Alfred Adler emphasized social influences and introduced the concept of the inferiority complex. Karen Horney criticized Freud's views on women and introduced the concept of basic anxiety stemming from childhood relationships. Contemporary psychoanalysis. Modern psychoanalysis integrates Freudian concepts with new theories and empirical research, focusing on the therapeutic relationship and the role of the unconscious in shaping behavior and personality. Conclusion. Psychoanalysis, with its focus on the unconscious mind and the impact of early childhood experiences, has profoundly influenced the field of psychology. Despite its criticisms, Freud's work laid the foundation for understanding the complexities of human behavior and personality. The contributions of Neo-Freudians and the ongoing evolution of psychoanalytic theory continue to shape the practice and study of psychology today. Thank you for your attention. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.